Welcome to Root Machines Week 2 updates. This is Bilal. 8 more weeks to go. Root Machines is a Unity WebGL 2021.3 URP project, and it's a fast-paced arena FPS in which the emphasis is on active enemy or AI design. And this game is being developed in association with HomeTeam GameDev. The link to join them is in the description below. Additions and changes. Lee Zhang. Sorry if I said your name, wrong. Li Zhang added debug spawner, which spawns test enemy prefab that he also made, and it's with the slash key, and it helps with debugging. Of course, it's work in progress. There's some more steps that we have to add with this debug spawner so that it becomes easy for us to test the game out. And he also added a medium floating bot blockout. It's just a mesh, and it's really good, but it's untextured as of now. Krister added drone guard, which is complete with mesh and textures, and it looks really good. And I'm gonna use it as the drone, the small drone. And Farah Rizal implemented fall death, and she also now added this thing in which the survival time score reports upon player death. Right? Thank you, Farah. And I improved lighting, basically re-added directional lights which I removed, and removed the point light. And I also added the resolve state, which is a behavior, and added the detect proximity feature, and also did some work on state manager, and of course bug fixes. So it's game time, and let's check out the game. Here is the game, and as you can see, this is the model that Krister made, and I just added the these lights, LEDs, and made them red, right? Probably doesn't look great. The colors don't look great. Otherwise, it was cyan before. All of these lights, cyan, basically blue greenish sort of color, right? But I changed it to this red and yellow. I think I have to change this color. But anyways, this is the amazing mesh by Krister. And there is also this mother drone, which is pretty big compared to the others. But of course, this is temporary mother drone mesh. Of course, it's just basically using this one, but scaled up version. And yeah, there is this mesh by. Actually, let me just remove the lighting. The mesh by Li Zhang, and it's really looking cool. And it also has this backpack, or booster, or whatever you want to call it, and it will have those floating particles here. And I can also see something shooting out of these two hands. And yeah, it is really looking great. I think this is fantastic. And yeah, so let's play the game. If I play, and yeah, there you see on the top, the drones are revolving around the mother drone, right? And as you can see, it looks pretty cool. If I go, and there's also some lighting changes so that I can see them from quite a bit far now compared to before. And if I kill the mother drone, see this effect that all the other drones are acting weird right now. Of course, the idea is that they will go back to idle state, but right now they're just going like this. Okay, I'm not sure why my camera just turns off in the middle, which is so weird. I don't like it at all. But I'm gonna make sure that the camera works again. Yeah, there you go. So yeah, there it is. And I can shoot them and destroy them, and it works just fine. And there is also this thing that if you see at the bottom, there's a best survival time score 0, and I survived for some time, and now if I go and die, there I'm dead, and my times is right here. Time score 54 second, new best time, fell too far, right? And this is done by Farah. And yeah, that is the feature. And of course, one more feature is the debug spawner. So if I let's play. Yeah, what's wrong? Let me just restart the game. I guess there's some issue with looping, but never mind. And if I press slash, as you can see, there are some enemies coming, slash, and they are relative to the player position. And these are the enemies, the idle enemies. I can kill them. They are just like normal enemies, but I think they don't have the LEDs or something. But yeah, that is the debug spawner. I might have missed something, but that's pretty much most of the things that we have worked on. So yeah, let's move on to what's supposed to be the next stuff. So for the next week, we are going for mother drone, rocket, frag, and pickup. All these meshes and texturing, of course, involves. So the pickup is gonna be torus, a vertical torus with the shining stuff in the middle. It could be horizontal that keeps rotating. You can just imagine what I meant by pickup. And then there is this thing, the code, debug spawning for quick testing. Right now, it's there, but we definitely want some improvements, right? Like having some buttons that we can click on, maybe, or some more additional options to basically select which enemy to spawn and stuff like that. Maybe cool. It will definitely help. And then there's the tackle state. Tackle state basically means the enemy just charges towards the player. And then there's the alert state, and there's the self-destruct state, and pickup. Pickup, the code for pickup, just picking something up. And the gun will improve as you collect the pickups, right? And then the sound, of course, same thing, flapping wings, like drone. So yeah, that's all. Thank you for your contributions and for watching the update. Pretty small update, but I hope that you will like it.